I can't take my eyes off of XRP until March 7th because I know something big is going to happen. It looks like Ripple's XRP is about to go through a big change. The crypto market is getting hot. There's a reason why investors and analysts are paying close attention to this date. It could be a price breakout, the news of a major partnership, or a very important legal decision. Why is the question? What's going on behind the scenes that could make March 7th so important for XRP? Some people think that regulations will soon become clear, while others think that the price will suddenly go up because institutions will start to use it. As Ripple continues to grow its network of financial relationships and on-demand liquidity, ODL, gains popularity, XRP is quickly becoming a major player in international trade. There is more and more talk about it, and the charts are showing signs of change. If something big happens, the people who are paying attention right now might get the most out of it. So let's talk about what's going on and why this date might be important for XRP. The 7th of March is a special day for XRP. There could be a big change in its path. There are a lot of rumors going around about this date for a number of reasons. One of the most important things is how clear the rules are. For years, XRP has been at risk because of Ripple's ongoing fight with the SEC. However, many people think we are getting closer to a resolution. Around this time, if there is a settlement or major decision, it could let in a lot of institutional investors who have been waiting. If things go well, XRP could be relisted on big exchanges, which would make it easier for people to get an increased demand. In addition to rules, institutional usage is also picking up speed. Ripple has been working with banks all over the world to form relationships that help them add XRP to their payment networks. On-demand liquidity, ODL, from the company is already being used to quickly move billions of dollars across countries, and more banks and payment providers are likely to join. If a big new partnership is revealed around March 7th, it could change the way XRP works in the world's financial system. At the same time, the crypto market as a whole is showing signs of growth. It has been Bitcoin that sets the trend, and historically, altcoins like XRP follow suit. Analysts are closely watching XRP's price charts for important breakout signs. Around this time, if XRP breaks through key support levels, it could set off a wave of buying pressure that drives the price even higher. But will XRP finally take off, or are there still things that are stopping it? Let's read more about the market trends and what they say about what XRP should do next. As March 7th gets closer, the price changes of XRP are becoming more and more interesting to watch based on how the market is moving. XRP has been sitting in a key price band for a few weeks now, building up pressure for a possible breakout. To see if a big move is coming, technical experts are keeping a close eye on levels of resistance and support. If XRP can break through a strong barrier zone, the price could rise quickly, which would be helped by more trades. If it is turned down, on the other hand, it might go back to a lower support level before trying to break out again. Besides technical research, however, market sentiment also has a big impact on the short-term price of XRP. If good news comes out, like a favorable regulatory decision, a big relationship between two institutions, or a sudden rise in liquidity, it could start a wave of bullish momentum. In the past, when XRP has a big jump, it usually happens quickly, which throws off a lot of investors. Because of this, experienced buyers are keeping a close eye on what happens before March 7th. But we also need to think about the risks that might happen. Even though interest is rising, XRP's price could be affected by regulatory hurdles that come up out of the blue, market corrections in general, or bad news. The price of cryptocurrencies often changes quickly, and XRP is no different. It's best for investors to be careful and not base their choices on rumors alone. Still, XRP has a lot of potential in the long run as long as its fundamentals stay strong and institutions continue to adopt it. What do you think will happen in the next few days? Will XRP finally break out, or do we need to wait a little longer before we see huge gains? Let's talk about what could happen and what buyers should keep an eye on next. As March 7th gets closer, there are a few main things that could happen with XRP. Each of these could have different effects on buyers and investors. The most optimistic scenario would involve a big event that causes a breakout past key resistance levels. This could be regulatory clarity from the SEC case, a partnership that changes the game, or a surge in the crypto market as a whole. If this happens, the price of XRP could rise quickly, bringing in more traders and institutional buyers. In the past, XRP has moved quickly when momentum builds. This means that a breakout could lead to big short-term gains. In a neutral scenario, XRP would keep trading in the same range it is now, with small ups and downs but no clear move in either way. This could mean that the market is still waiting for more information before making a big move. This possibility may not seem very exciting, but it would give XRP a chance to strengthen its support levels. This could eventually lead to a more stable upward pattern. In a bearish situation, bad news about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies would spread, like regulatory setbacks, market corrections, or a loss of momentum. If this happens, there may be pressure to sell XRP, which could send its price down to test lower support levels. Long-term buyers who think XRP will be useful and widely used, on the other hand, might see this as a chance to buy instead of a reason to freak out. One thing is clear, no matter what happens, this is a very important time for XRP, and March 7th could be a big day in its future. People who are keeping a close eye on the market need to stay educated and ready for changes. What do you think? Will XRP do something big in the next few days, or do we still need to be patient? Leave a comment with your answer, and don't forget to like and follow for more XRP news. If you want to see more, just wait for the next one. As March 7th draws near, it's clear that people are excited about XRP. All eyes are on what happens next, whether it's because of growing rumors about clear regulations, Ripple's growing list of partnerships, or the overall market progress. Even though we don't know what will happen, one thing is for sure. XRP is at a turning point. What people do in the next few days could affect its path for months or even years to come. This means that traders and investors need to stay alert, keep an eye on key signs, and be ready for possible volatility. It's important to keep a level head about the situation and not get too excited about the possibilities or too gloomy about what might go wrong. The crypto market is known for rapid changes, and people who stay informed and plan ahead often come out on top. It doesn't matter what happens, XRP will continue to grow in the financial world and will be useful as a bridge currency. People who believe in the idea for the long term see it as more than just a speculative asset, even if the price goes through the roof in the short term. It will be very important for the future of international banking. The big question still stands as we wait for March 7th. Will this be the big moment that everyone has been waiting for, or do we need to wait a little longer to see XRP's full potential? Leave your thoughts below, and let us know if this video helped you. Make sure you like, follow, and turn on alerts so you never miss an update. Glad you watched, and see you next time. We now know everything there is to know about XRP as March 7th draws near. A big change or just another step in XRP's long journey, this date is certain to be important. A lot is going on behind the scenes, and the people who stay up to date will be the ones who can best take advantage of the chances that come up. Always do your own study and choose what to do based on facts, not hype. Bitcoin prices change quickly, and XRP. Keeping up with news, price movement, and important events will help you deal with the volatility, whether you're a long-term holder or just waiting for the next big move. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on alerts if you want to stay up to date on the latest XRP news. Also, tell us in the comments.